Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? Hope fine. Today I am going to discuss about trigonometric ratios of associated angles, and it is exercise 7.6. Now I am going to start the lesson. It is if number 1, if a plus b plus c equal to pi, here a, b, c all three are angles and the summation is pi. Then you have to prove that sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c is equal to 4 sine a into sine b into sine c. Now we're going to the solution. Left hand side is sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c. So here it is sine 2a plus sine 2b. We know the formula for sine a plus sine b, and we know the formula of sine a plus sine b is 2 sine a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. We just applying the formula for them. Here it is sine 2a and sine 2b, that's why it is 2 sine 2a plus 2b divided by 2. The genuine formula is sine a plus b by 2 because it is a, that's why a plus b, and here it is 2a and 2b, that's why 2a plus 2b divided by 2, and similarly cos 2a minus 2b by 2, and last sine 2c, it remains constant. We will do the work of it later. Here if we take 2 as a common, then this 2 and this 2 will be discarded. As a result we get 2 sine a plus b, and similarly we will get it from cos a minus b. And we know the formula of sine 2a. Sine 2a is 2 sine a cos a. Here it is sine 2c, that's why we write 2 sine c cos c. Okay, the next line, we can write a plus b as pi minus c, because a plus b plus c is equal to pi. If we just change the side of c, then it will become a plus b equal to pi minus c. We just have done this. Sine a plus b, instead of a plus b we write pi minus c. Here sine pi minus c, that means it is in second quadrant, that's why sine pi minus c become sine c without changing any sign or ratio. 2 sine c cos a minus b plus 2 sine c cos c, and we take 2 sine c as a common. So from here we get cos a minus b, and from second term we get cos c. Okay, then the next line. Okay, similarly cos c, instead of c we can write pi minus a plus b. As we know a plus b plus c equal to pi, so that means c is equal to pi minus a plus b. Okay, these things remain constant. Just it is cos pi minus a plus b. Pi means 180 degree. Pi minus a plus b, that means pi minus something is it will remain in second quadrant, and we know second quadrant is negative region for cos, the trigonometric ratio cos. In second quadrant we know that sine and cosec only positive, and rest the trigonometric ratios are negative, that's why cos is negative. We write minus, instead of this plus we write minus cos a plus b. And we know the formula cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. It is a direct formula, and you have learned it in the earlier chapters. It cos a minus b minus cos a plus b is 2 sine a sine b. So next line will be 4 sine a, these two 2's are 4 sine a sine b and sine c. So we just have showed our result. Okay, that's why 1 has been finished. Okay, now we are going to our next problem. It is if a plus b plus c equal to pi, then prove that cos square a plus cos square b plus 2 cos a cos b cos c is equal to sine square c. So this solution is quite different than the previous one. We just write cos square a plus cos square b and write minus sine square c. Okay, we have to proceed by this calculation of cos square a plus cos square b minus sine square c. Okay, next line we just take half and multiplied these two terms by 2. Okay, half into 2 1, half into 2 1, so it becomes half 2 cos square a plus 2 cos square b minus sine square c. And 2 cos square a, it is very popular formula. It is very popular formula for college student. 2 cos square a is 1 plus cos 2a. Commonly we get the reverse one. 1 plus cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a, and 2 cos square a equal to 1 plus cos 2a. So similarly 2 cos square a turns to 1 plus cos 2a, and 2 cos square b turns to 1 plus cos 2b. Okay, next one, this 1 and 1, after summation it becomes 2. 2 plus cos 2a plus cos 2b and minus sine square c. Okay, here half into 2 is 1 and half cos 2a plus cos 2b. We write it here, minus sine square c. The next line, we just utilize the formula. It is the formula of cos a plus cos b is 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2, as there are 2a and 2b. That's why we write 2 cos 2a plus 2b by 2 and 2a minus 2b by 2. And instead we just take this one here and it turns 1 minus sine square c. Okay, now we are going to the next line, and next line becomes cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Okay, I am repeating the line again. Here half into 2, it is 2 and 2, this 2 and this 2 discarded, and if we take 2 as a common, this 2 and this 2 will be discarded. That means here 1 and here cos a plus b and here cos a minus b, and it is 1 minus sine square c. We can write it is cos square c. Okay, we get the line by this way. Here we can write a plus b as pi minus c. In my previous solution of the problem, I explained why a plus b can be written as pi minus c. Okay, a plus b, we can write a plus b as pi minus c, and cos square c is cos c into cos c. Okay, cos pi minus c is minus cos c, because cos pi minus c, it is in second quadrant. That's why in second quadrant only sine and cosec are positive, rest of the trigonometric ratios are negative. That's why it is minus cos c, cos a minus b. And we also write cos c, instead of cos c we write cos pi minus a plus b. Pi minus a plus b, we can write c, instead of c we can write pi minus a plus b. Okay, okay, here we can write it is cos a plus b, and instead of positive sign we write negative, because pi minus something, that means it is in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative. That's why instead of plus sign we write a minus sign. Now we take minus cos c as a common. Minus cos c as a common. If we take minus cos c as a common, it is cos a minus b, and this minus turns to plus, and it is cos a plus b. Okay, we know the formula of cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. In our previous sum we have used it. It is 2 cos a cos b. So as a result our problem is minus 2 cos a cos b cos c. So that means we have started from here cos square a plus cos square b minus sine square c, and we get as a result is minus 2 cos a cos b cos c. Now if we just change the side minus 2 cos A cos B cos C. Just change the side, it becomes plus 2 cos A cos B cos C, and if we change the side of minus sin square C, it will be sin square C. So that means we get the another proof, cos square, if A plus B plus C equal to pi, then we can write cos square A plus cos square B plus 2 cos A cos B cos C is equal to sin square C. So it is my today's class, dear students. I will you will see me in my next video, and I will come with my new video very soon. Stay home and stay safe, stay well, and study regularly. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.